There are tons of value-driven management frameworks. Value stream mapping, or VSM, is one of the most well-known. But, do you know what exactly this methodology refers to? VSM is a lean management method for analyzing the current state and designing a future state for the series of events that take a product or service from its beginning through to the customer. Like most lean models, VSM is often associated with manufacturing processes. However, it is also widely used in logistics, supply chain, service-related industries, healthcare, software development, product development, and administrative and office processes. The goal of VSM is to identify, to demonstrate, and to decrease waste in the process. Waste is defined as any activity that does not add value to the final product. The word is often used to demonstrate and decrease the amount of waste in a manufacturing system. VSM can thus serve as a starting point to help management, engineers, production associates, schedulers, suppliers, and customers to recognize waste and identify its causes. Our value stream map is a visual representation of the flow of materials from supplier to customer through your organization as well as the flow of information. This enables us to see at a glance where the delays are in your process, any restraints, and excessive inventory. It is primarily a communication tool, but can also be used as a strategic planning and change management tool. We can construct a value stream map following an 8-step process, depicted on the PowerPoint slide. VSM is a team effort. It should involve representatives from all of the areas within the process being mapped. This creation of a value stream map should be facilitated and led by an expert with experience in creating value stream maps. Let's explain each of the 8 steps involved. Step 1 is to select your sponsor and set expectations. Appoint someone who is responsible to make decisions, arbitrate solutions, and plan the project. The sponsor usually selects the processes that will be mapped and will usually have a firm grasp of what achievement is being targeted. The second step is to select your team. You should ensure that each area or stakeholder of the process is represented. For example, sales, purchasing, warehouse, etc., should also be represented. Step 3 is select the process to be mapped. Value stream mapping is suitable for most businesses and can be used in manufacturing, logistics, supply chain, and some service-oriented organizations. Step 4 is to collect data and produce the current state map. Data includes process times, inventory or materials information, customer or demand requirements, and so forth. The future state maps will be developed using information captured here, so it's imperative we have a correct understanding of the business. Step 5 involves critiquing the current state. Here, we need to challenge the current thinking, encourage your team to make suggestions, look for areas of waste. The next step is to map the future state. Compile a future state map based on the current state map and the critiques. Step 7 is create an action plan and deploy. Taking the future state map, we should consider an action plan that could be implemented to change the current process to the future state. The final step is to measure the benefits. At this phase, we must check to ensure that the benefits expected have been obtained. It involves reviewing each change made and analyzing benefits. To learn more about how to apply the value stream mapping, we have a multitude of training guides, templates, posters, and other tools in our VSM Business Toolkit, which we have linked to in the video description. In fact, in the video description, we have included links to frameworks on all the key management concepts discussed in this video. If you are interested in learning more about different lean management tools, such as Kaizen, Hoshin Kanri, Gemba Walk, etc., please let us know in the comments. If you enjoy these types of videos on business frameworks, methodologies, and management models, then be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, check out Flevy.com directly for thousands of best practice business frameworks and tools. We regularly publish videos like this one across a multitude of management topics, from process improvement to value creation to visual workplace.